Hello, viewers, and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. And this morning, we continue to cover the story of the slain Bulawayo detective Cassandra Hove. She was laid to rest in Mberengwa. And according to ZimLive, Tinashe Mago, who is a relative of Cassandra, suggests that the police is covering up crucial information about her death. And he alleged that the bullet was fired from the police gun. And, this is something which is very, very important. Let us take a look on what he said.
But also keep a cadero. And who call a Buddha Pachena. Could you marry the Teres and data to see? My commissioner Muripo, my Pursa Makuru. This officer must be locked in. I don't care in it. Chango Edwasho, my name is Zonesa. Kuzongo Terra to Chat could be. Imosikana mkasapota na shakada ya mapurisa is not fair. Munokumusha kwa makapa, munewa na wamunao, muneha manisha mwari. How do you feel ameko ichifani zile kafa kudai? Kufa kunutendo. Hakuna mbigwi, hakuna mashura, ukuti unadzenga. Why that discharge wada? That robber was not armed. Was not armed. Muno wanga katika pa kudai. Muna katika pa kudai numshitirachi. You are trained. You are trained, you guys. You are trained, you guys. Yeah. Makapasa and Mapursa Zimbabwe, Africa, do the best of the forces in Africa. Unafura puti. Pamuna silamti. Mbava. Wangufa ngurubata ubata bandi, ngwabata bandi. Mwobe kubeserai. Tiriku puru zamchi macha kudai. But it's not fair. Chukwa izem pururu, alizi kumpururu. This is not a decent burial of a police officer. This is not a decent burial of a police officer. It's unfortunate that of the reform chemo to movie going to die. But Kwandira, as he is not even worth it. It's not even worth it. As the Diangaripo, you are not letting and go to Vanaletiva. Diangaripo, let Chema, Jimmy Letinyara. Or get a mistake, Cassandra Wafa. Not to Jenga Kudai. Kujenga kudai. One more report you could drop Bashutamun. Hakuna unanokunda mpurisa wa Zimbabwe kupata futi. Majua, wakaenda jealousy ya Kanyara ni Zimbabwe. Wakaenda South Africa mapolisi ya Zimbabwe mnuza futi zokanaka. Hakuna kana even mistake up. Haisi mistake. Haisi mistake. This was intentional. Kudamtia kuchudanjo na capable homicide because there was an intent to kill. Intent to kill. Kutuuraya mtu. Moneta na officer judge alipo na grounds watu commander. Mai udzwane ma ground commander mripano. Mai udzwane mana wanzweni. If ever there were 4 or 5, lock them in. Wacha kuze chokwa. Yes. What are order investigation? Wacha kuze chokwa.
So this is a very, very complex matter because she is no longer there to tell a side of the story, and also the armed robber in question was not apprehended. We have not heard about the apprehension of that robber, which means also it becomes these detectives' words versus what the investigations are going to tell. At this point in time, Zimbabwe Republic Police issued a statement, and if you read on the statement which was issued by the ZRP, they did not specify whether she was shot by the robbers or by the police gun. They did not specify. I think they carefully gave the statement. If you read on the second paragraph, they say that the shooting incident occurred at Harbrick area, Pumula, south of Bulawayo, and they do not, in that report from the police, they do not specify whether she was shot by the robbers or not, which means the investigations, as according to the first paragraph, it reads, the Zimbabwe Republic Police confirms that investigations are being conducted in connection with the tragic and unfortunate death of Detective Constable Cassandra Hove of CID Homicide Bulawayo on 6th March 2025 while she was pursuing armed robbery suspects. So if she was shot by a police gun all the guns which these police officers had, they are known, which means they can trace back to see if she was really killed by one of their own guns. And from my own understanding of the situation, the police is yet to give a full report or to give full disclosure of what really happened and what really transpired. So I hope and believe Kuti, they will not cover up. I hope and believe that the ballistics department will do their job, look at the guns which of the police officers who were involved, then investigate to see whether she was hit by a bullet from one of their own guns or not. Then, if that is the case, then they will need to do the right thing and make sure that whoever is involved is brought to book. However, as I mentioned, this is a very, very complex matter because every one of us was not there. So we now need to rely more on the recreation of the incident, what really happened. Then the recreation of the incident is going to be more beneficial. But we are praying that the police continues to pursue the people involved or the armed robbers involved. If they manage to know about something about them, they will be able to recreate a full scene of what really happened and what really transpired. So I hope and believe Kuti, the ballistics report will come out, and once it comes out, it will then gives us a picture of what was really happening. Also, we need to establish, was there any beef in between them? Was there any disagreement in between them? What was their relationship, EO, as detectives? And also on another issue, other people are asking, why is it that these detectives didn't come to the funeral? There are two issues about it. Kana kwakamboita dispute kubulawayo before a burial, zvinogona kunetsa kuti vaisimuka vouya ikoko zvaigona kutozoita worse. So that can be explained, that can be justified kuti family inogona kunge yakanga ine ma-emotions ari high vachiri kubulawayo, which might have prompted the other colleagues not to attend, not kuti vanenge vakazviita deliberately. It might be another issue. So meanwhile, we are waiting for the investigations to conclude, so that when the investigations conclude, we are able to understand kuti zvinhu zvacho zvakafamba sei. Mudare said Zim police can't be the best because they lack resources to execute the job. Old school methods are used, like beating citizens with baton sticks, damaging citizens' vehicles, roadblocks with the drums, lack of uniforms, wearing old school shoes, not comfortable for policing. Okay, that is what Tim Dar is raising. Then I think this is a Prosper asked and said, Police Zimbabwe answered this. I think it's a matter of comprehension. Ukaverenga report ye police zvakanaka. The police never said mbavha ndidzo dzakauraya. They reported what happened according to what is there. If you read the statement, it doesn't specify who shot Cassandra. That is going to be revealed through the investigations. What we need to pray for is let the investigations reveal the truth of what really happened, which means they will need to ask each one who was there. The ballistics report will need to come out. Then they will need to go onto the scene, recreate what happened, and also go to the hospital. Was she confirmed dead on arrival, or akatombosvika ari mupenyu akazofa later? All those issues will need to be established. Those facts will need to be established, and they will help to come up with the truth of what really happened and what really transpired. And then on the issue of mistakes, everywhere panoshanda vanhu, the word mistake harina kuuya by mistake as well. The word mistake is there because things happen. But what matters is if it was a mistake, what happened afterwards? Then that becomes something which is very, very important. Who ordered a lie to be told if the police shot here, who ordered the lie to be told, who altered the report, or whatever which happened, there is need to retrace and understand, because sometimes team inenge yauya yotaura zvinhu zviripo chaizvo chaizvo sezvazviri. Vakuru vobva vati no, don't put it like that, ngatizvise takadai for their own reasons, zvinogona kuitika zvinhu zvakadaro. So all those issues might need to be established, not with emotions, but there is need for cooperation, the family from the other end, the police from the other end. The government also must commit more resources to make sure that there is a correct fact-finding mission. Ichaburitsa chokwadi kuti what really happened to Detective Cassandra Ove. She left 4 beautiful kids, and may her soul rest in peace. This is what we have for you this morning. The family is actually concerned about what happened, and the family says it was not a mistake. So according to the family, they say it was quite deliberate. So it is what it is, Team Zimbabwe. I love you and thank you very much, everyone, for coming. Let us meet in other episodes and other broadcasts.